How to get the flamethrower in Dying Light the Beast. Now this is very easy. So we have to be right here. Let's go to the map real quick. So you're at the town hall. Okay, first of all. The second thing is this. You have to already have this skill, which doesn't take long to get. It's just right there. Flamethrower. Now when you unlock this skill, you will get the legendary blueprint for the flamethrower, and then you get the other one, epic, for the ammo. Next thing you need to do is come over here, town hall, come to the workstation right here, workbench. We're going to use the workbench. Now come to weapons. And see the blueprint right there. Now here's the only hard part is, you need to get all of these scraps. You need 100 scraps, 10 weights, 3 oxidizers, and 1 fuel. Now I'm going to help you with this. Real easy. Obviously, just loot around, go around the town. You'll find a lot of stuff. But come over here to the shop. Right here. And he usually has a bunch of stuff. Come down to goods. And there you go. You'll find wiring. Weights. He has 4 weights right there. Scraps, resin. A bunch of stuff. So, feathers. That's for, obviously, the bow and arrow. That type of thing. So you can get a few things here. Then you can go out and do a few little runs of looting. And then come back. Once you have everything again, come back to the workstation. Right here. And I'm going to craft it right now. Weapons. There it is right there. I'm going to craft the flamethrower. And that is how you get the legendary ranged weapon, flamethrower, in Dying Light the Beast. Again, you just got to go around. And of course you can't upgrade this. Or can you? But again, you need, scraps, weights, oxidizers, and fuel. You will find these out. Just go looting around. Go hunting for things. You'll find them all, trust me. This only took me maybe an hour or two to get everything. Just from going back to the shop and collecting stuff. And that is how you get the flamethrower in Dying Light the Beast. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and I will see you in the next one.